Rising Star family, we are going to go over recital makeup, and we have Naomi Fowler here, so she's going to help me with that, and I'm going to go over this real quick and dirty so you don't have to stress about it. So, optional thing that you might want, some foundation, anything that'll match to their color a little bit, that's okay. I went and got these things at the dollar store, so if you have no makeup whatsoever at the dollar store, $5, you will have all the makeup you need. So, one thing that's really good to have, a nice eyeshadow palette that has some browns in it. We just need browns, we don't need colors. So anything with a bunch of colors in it that are brown, it's a good idea. Thank you. Some blush, because we gotta make sure that their cheeks show up. A little bit of lipstick, so it can be a pinkish color, reddish color. And if they will put up with it. If they don't, that's okay, don't stress on it. Eyeliner and mascara. So keep it really simple. If you want to do more, if they'll sit for more, do it. If they won't, that's fine too. This is just recital. We're not at a competition, so don't stress about it. But we're just going to do a quick and easy little video tutorial. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so step one is optional, just a little bit of foundation. If you want to use your fingers, use your fingers. I'm going to use a sponge so that way I don't get my fingers all dirty. We're just going to put a little on there and we're going to put it all over her face. So here we go. A little bit. Boom, boom, boom. Does that feel cold? Yeah. Okay. I always like to brush everything down. Because the little hairs on her face, we gotta make sure that they go downward. So we don't have to go too crazy. Nothing nuts here. We're not going to a competition, right? We're just doing recital. Yeah. Hey. So got a little bit on your eye. Okay, so foundation, step number one. Okay, so we are going to do eyeshadow next. We're going to choose a brown color, just something that's a little darker than their skin. And we're going to take that. You can use the applicator that comes with it. If you have brushes, great. But like I said, keep it easy. We're gonna, yeah. Which color do you think? We want a nice brown color. What's a good brown one? That one? Okay, we'll do that. So we're gonna grab some of this color. Now what I have them do is I just have them look down. So rather than close their eyes where they will squint, it's hard to get it on there, they're gonna put their chin up and then look down to the floor. And then we can get some of that eyeshadow right on their lid. You don't have to go crazy on that, but just a little color. Okay, so that's one eye done. Now we're gonna do the next one, look down. Get chin up for me. Yes, good job. Okay, so we have a little bit of brown eyeshadow on there. Now as a bonus, something that you can do to make the eyes pop a little bit more, we're gonna pick a white one. Can I put it? I can put that on the table. So a little bonus thing that you can do is you can take a little bit of that white color and you can put it just on the inner corner of their eyes. It makes their eyes pop just a little bit more. So look up for me. We're just gonna go right there in the middle. Really easy. Right there in the middle. Let me get it that time. Okay. How's that? That's good. Okay, so that's our eyeshadow. So next up we have our blush. So we're gonna take a little bit of blush. Can you do it? Well, I'm gonna do the first one. You can do the next one, okay? Okay. So we have our blush. Usually they come with a little brush in it. If they do, use it. If not, you can use your fingers too. We're just gonna take a little bit of blush. You're gonna smile for me. And we just put it right there on her cheeks. So it looks like she is just glowing. Okay. Put a little bit on there. Now this one has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it'll sparkle. It's just tons of fun. A little bit of blush so we can see your cheeks. So that is our blush. Okay, do you want to do that? Take the blush. There you go. Put some on there. Good job. The other side. Well done. Okay, so that's it. All right, so our next bit is eyeliner. Now this is one of those things. If they sit still for it, fantastic. If they don't, no big deal. So we're gonna do a little V on either side, right? Just a little V. So to get the bottom part, what do? We look up to the ceiling with your eyes, and we go just a little on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, just a tiny bit. And we're gonna do on the other side. So look up to the ceiling for me, And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So it's just a little bit. You don't have to go crazy. Look at the camera. Okay, so the next one, what do? We look down, don't we? Okay, so sit up nice and tall for me. Good job. And now you're going to look down to the floor with your eyes. Keep your chin up for me and look down. Yeah, there we go. So eyes down. Yeah, look down for me. There you go. Just stay right there. Eyes closed. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just get a little color on there. Okay. Same thing we're going to do the other way. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just a little bit on the outer corner. So we have a little V on the outsides of our eyes. Do mascara. This is another step that if they won't hold still for it, it doesn't matter. It's okay. But here's the trick. So we're going to take our little mascara. She's going to hold still, and then you're going to blink. Yeah, and blink, and blink, and blink. And that's how we get it. So you don't have to move the thing around a whole lot. Just get right on there, have them blink, and that should be enough. So lift the head over there, and then blink. Yes. So we get that. Just a little bit. Right on the outside. Yes. So we have a little bit of mascara on. If you keep it also to the outsides, you don't have to do the whole thing. If you keep it to the outsides, it'll also make their eyes pop. So that's our mascara. Final step, we are going to do our little lipstick. So easiest way to do this, she's going to say, ah. And that's how we're going to get our lipstick on. So let's try that. Say, ah, ah. Good job. And I'm just dabbing this a little bit. Good. And then she gets to have a break. And then we'll do it again. Just ah. Good job. And I'll go across the bottom this way. Okay. And if you want to, you can go rub your lips together. How's that? Okay. So that is how we get our lipstick on. Now a couple other tricks for you when we get back. Okay, so one little trick that you can use for the lipstick, if it's not quite even, you can get a little Q-tip, right? And we can just clean up the edge there and make it so it's nice and clean. So that's one way that we can do that. Also, if her eyebrows are a little bit light, right? Like she has blonde hair, so her eyebrows are a little bit light. I can go in with my little eyeshadow palette, pick a brown color, and I can go in there and just put a little bit of color on her eyebrows so we can see her eyebrows. So that's something, again, optional. You don't have to do it, but it does make them a little bit more expressive. There we go. There, now we can see your eyebrows, so raise your eyebrows. Okay, so that is our full face of makeup. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, reach out and we're happy.